Hi, if you want to add this date and time stamp to photos on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to open your camera app and make sure you're in a photo mode. From here, tap on 4 dots and choose settings icon. After that, you should see watermark section. Tap it. And now you need to tap on the switcher on the watermark so you'll see the status on and the switcher would be blue. And after that, as for info to show, you can pick date and time. You can also pick date and switch to another format, for example, like that. And you can tap on time and also remove this AM, PM, and so on. After that, you can change font. You can also change alignments. For example, move it to the middle or to the right side or to the left side, up or down. Then you can add model name and also edit your model name and enter custom word. Let's do it again and then save changes and tap to add this one. Now let's go back, take a photo and check it. And yes, here it is. Let me just reduce the brightness for you. And this is my custom text, date and time. So that's it, how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.